Hi, I'm Sam with Tie Down. We're here at the ASSP convention here in Anaheim, California. I'm excited to introduce you to the Tie Down booth. We have a lot of great products, our fall carts, our bread and butter guardrail, and our new innovative web rail system. So definitely come check us out, and we'll see you soon. So now we're going to talk about our bread and butter, our guardrail system. So we are domestic made, meaning 100% of this product comes out of Atlanta, Georgia. We're super proud of it, and we're going to kind of walk through the different features of how you differentiate Tie Down in the industry. So we have two different bases. We have our traditional pennant base, and then we also have our universal compression clamp. I'm really excited about our universal compression clamp base because of a couple different reasons. The first reason is our base can accept any guardrail on the market. So depending on what you're currently using or what you have on the yard, it'll take any one of those guardrails. In addition to, you can see at the bottom, there's two bolts. So what happens is that as that guardrail sits into the base, using an impact drill will suck that guardrail to its base. So it gives you a very sturdy, structurally sound guardrail. It's rated up to Category 5 hurricane, so I believe that's about 150 miles per hour, but it's just a sturdy system. These are 58 pounds, so it's one of the lightest bases on the market, allowing for some ease of use, as well as it's just ergonomically friendly, allowing you to move these bases if need be with ease. But we are super excited about it. We're very proud of our guardrail, so definitely come check us out.